Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps Insider. In this video, I'll be talking about introduction to the configuration management tool called Chef. We will learn what is configuration management tool, infrastructure as a code, and what is Chef. And I'll be posting a series of videos which will help you to know everything about Chef and also hands-on exercises as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enable the notification. Happy learning and let's get started. Chef is a configuration management tool for IT professionals like you. Because there are a wide variety of definitions for the term configuration management. Let's take a moment to explain what configuration management is and why we need it. What is infrastructure as a code? And we'll also cover what Chef is and why you need it as well. What is configuration management? With respect to IT, configuration management covers the set of engineering practices for managing the certain entities involved in delivering software applications to consumers. That might be the hardware, software, infrastructure, people, and process. Configuration management came about to address the fundamental challenges involved in doing group work. Managing change when you are a lone system administrator with a handful of servers to manage is relatively straightforward. Trying to coordinate the work of multiple system administrators and developers involving hundreds or even thousands of servers and applications to support a large customer base is complex and typically requires the support of a tool. Changes must be handled in a systematic fashion to ensure that system is configured in a correct and reliable manner. There must be some form of autonomy in the system so that it can automatically detect faults and repairs them without being explicitly told to do so. Examples of modern configuration management tools are Puppet, the desired state configuration engine in Microsoft Windows, Ansible, SaltStack, and of course Chef. Why you need a configuration management tool to automate IT? There are a number of reasons why automated configuration management tools play a vital role in managing complex enterprise infrastructures. Here are the four most popular reasons. First is consistency. If your infrastructure is being configured manually, how do you know your servers are being set up in a consistent manner? Further, how do you know these changes are being performed in a way that meets your compliance and security requirements? Make life easier for your system administrator by automating repeated tasks with a configuration management tool. When repeated tasks are tedious, humans are alarmingly bad at performing them consistently. Automate tedious administration tasks with a configuration management tool so your staff can focus on important things that humans do best. Second is efficient change management. Whenever infrastructure is built manually without the aid of a configuration management tool, people tend to fear change. Over time, servers that are maintained by hand tend to become fragile environments that are hardly to understand and modify. In these situations, organizations tend to develop a lot of processes for managing changes, usually with the sole intent on minimizing change or even delaying it as long as possible. This tends to delay introducing new features your customers need. So the third one is simplicity in rebuild. When servers are built manually, it's typically not easy to rebuild them from scratch. What would happen if suddenly lost your servers in a catastrophic event? How quickly could you restore service if disaster struck? Automated deployments using a configuration management tool help quickly restore the service, rather than bothering to upgrade or patch applications, which can be inherently fragile operations. System administrators can build a new, upgraded system in an automated fashion and throw the old one away, returning it to the server pool. When rebuilds are easy, system administrators gain confidence to make changes to infrastructure more rapidly. The last one is visibility. Configuration management tools include auditing and reporting capabilities. Monitoring the work performed by one system administrator doesn't require a sophisticated tool. But trying to understand what is going on with a team of, say, 10 or system administrators and 10 software developers deploying the software changes made times per day. You need a configuration tool then. When infrastructure changes are handled by automated systems, changes can be automatically logged in all relevant tracking systems to raise visibility on the meaningful work your teams are doing. Infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code is a type of IT infrastructure that operations team can automatically manage and provision through code rather than using a manual process. Infrastructure as code is sometimes referred to as a programmable infrastructure. The concept of infrastructure as code is similar to programming scripts, which are used to automate important IT processes. However, scripts are primarily used to automate a series of static steps that must be repeated numerous times across the multiple servers. Instead of scripts, infrastructure as code uses high-level or descriptive language to code more versatile and adaptive provisioning and deployment processes. Advantages and reasons of defining your infrastructure as a code. This will increase your flexibility. You can even version control your infrastructure. Your infrastructure will be human readable. The code is the documentation here. You can even create testable infrastructure just like testable code. It is easily scalable to thousands of systems, multiple clouds, and on-premises. So let's define what is Chef. Chef is an automation platform that configures and manages your infrastructure, whether it is on-premises or in the cloud. You can deploy the infrastructure type that makes the most sense for your business. You can use Chef to speed up application deployment, even creating a continual deployment pipeline. The key to the Chef's power is that it turns infrastructure into code. Infrastructure as code means that your computing environment has some of the same attributes as your application. So as I already said, your infrastructure is versionable, your infrastructure is repeatable, your infrastructure is trustable. In the next video, we will learn the components of Chef and how it works. See you in the next video.